Alright, so you want to grow aloe vera at home. Great choice. Aloe vera is basically the superhero of houseplants. Low maintenance, super useful, and honestly, it just looks cool. It has amazing hydrating qualities. It moisturizes dry skin, helps detox the body, and helps with acne, cuts, scrapes, stings, and sunburns. Aloe vera is a tough, low-maintenance plant, but even the toughest plants can get cranky if you don't treat them right. So let's talk about how to master aloe vera and a few classic mistakes to dodge. First up, lighting. Aloe vera loves very hot environments. It is a desert plant after all. But the type of sunlight it prefers depends on where you keep it. If you live in a hot climate year-round and keep it outside, it prefers direct sunlight. 6 to 8 hours of it. But if you keep your plant inside, aloe vera generally prefers bright, indirect sunlight. While they can tolerate some direct sunlight, if left too long in intense direct sun, it can cause sunburn and damage the leaves. Pop your plant near a south or west-facing window, just out of full sun, and it'll be living its best life. After it has been indoors for some time, and you want to move it outside, let's say for the summer, where it will get full sun, it is crucial that you acclimate it gradually to the sun to prevent sunburn. Sunburn on aloe vera looks like brown spots on the leaves, or the leaves will turn reddish-gray, especially at the tips. This is a sign of severe stress on your plant, and a warning to get it out of the direct sunlight. That being said, if your aloe starts stretching out or looking pale, it's begging for more sunlight. Now, let's talk watering. Here's the golden rule: less is more. Aloe vera is a succulent, which means it stores water in its leaves. If you water it too often, the roots will rot. Trust me, that's a sad sight. Wait until the top 2 inches of soil are dry before you even think about watering. And if you're not sure, wait an extra day. Your aloe will thank you. Personally, I wait until the soil is completely dry before I water. Think of the desert environment these plants come from. How often does it rain there? And look how they thrive. This desert plant is well adapted for dry conditions, especially in the winter season when growth slows down. Yellow or brown leaves usually mean you are overwatering, and shriveled, dry leaves usually mean you are underwatering. Now, about soil. Don't just grab whatever's lying around. Aloe wants gritty, well-draining soil. Cactus and succulent mix works perfectly. And always use a pot with drainage holes. Standing water is a one-way ticket to root rot city. Let's chat containers. Terracotta pots are your friend. They are porous and allow for better evaporation, helping the soil dry faster. Plastic pots keep things too damp. Remember, aloe likes to breathe. Go for a pot that is 5 to 10% larger than your plant. Start with a pot 4 to 5 inches wide for a new aloe vera pup and repot as necessary. You shouldn't need anything larger than a 12-inch wide container for a mature plant. Okay, mistake time. Number 1, crowding. Aloe pups, those little baby plants, will pop up around the base. Once they're a few inches tall, gently separate and repot them. This keeps everyone happy and you get free plants. Number 2, ignoring pests. Aloe is tough, but things like mealybugs and aphids can sneak in. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth now and then to keep them healthy and spot any problems early. Finally, don't overfeed. Aloe doesn't need much fertilizer, if any at all. Once or twice a year in spring and summer is plenty, and always use a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Use a fertilizer specially made for cacti or succulents. A 1-1-1 or a 2-1-1 of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Personally, I say don't bother with it as aloe vera thrives in poor conditions. Here is an interesting point. Aloe vera leaves can be made into an amazing fertilizer for other plants, helping with things like leaf and root growth and health, stress healing, and disease prevention and treatment. Just chop up the leaves and blend well with water to make into a gel. Then mix the gel with more water, about 2 tablespoons of gel per liter of water. And then water around your plants every 15 days or so, making sure it is evenly distributed. Use the mixture within 30 minutes of making as it ferments quickly when exposed to air. If you make it into a spray to mist your leaves, mix 1 tablespoon per liter of water and apply in the evenings so the sun doesn't evaporate it too quickly. Spray every couple of weeks or as needed. So to recap, bright light, minimal water, gritty soil, and a little TLC. Avoid overwatering, bad soil, and letting pests take over. Master these and you'll have a thriving aloe vera that's ready to rescue your sunburns and show off on your windowsill. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help my little channel. Take care and happy planting!